Take a look at this live trade that I'm in right now on the Nasdaq, folks. A little over $1,000 in profit. More importantly, you can see I'm sitting on around $700+ or now $800 in unrealized gains. This is the second half of the trade right now. We did all this today using nothing more than volume. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Let me fit this to scale for a quick second here. Really get you dialed in. Quick time and temperature check. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, 2024. It's knocking on the door of 1:49 p.m. in the afternoon. We do have about another 1 hour until the market closes. My profit target on this trade is all the way up here. We just broke the previous pivot, so I think we have a pretty good chance of the Nasdaq tagging a big, nice round number. That is the reason that I put my profit target up there, but I'm not sure, right? And that's kind of the point, man. When you take on a trade, all you can hope to achieve is get to break even, reduce the risk that's on the trade, and let the market do the heavy lifting for you. So first things first, it's good to be with you, man. I've been MIA the last couple of days. I'm traveling across the United States over the next few weeks. I am currently in Houston, Texas. This is one of the best cities I've ever been to. Love it here. Friendly people, great food, and a lot of Southern hospitality here that me and my wife really enjoy. All right, so anyway, what are you looking at on the screen right now? Well, this is today's live price action chart of the Nasdaq. Let me bring you guys back up to speed on the technique that I'm trying to use each and every day on this volume indicator color band. All right, because I'm telling you, man, I feel like I've stumbled across something that is very consistent. So far, it's been very profitable, and I want to share this with all of my members. All right, because as you know, when we find something that's working really well, we got to go pedal to the metal and really squeeze every tick and max out the advantage of this particular strategy, because who knows how long it's going to last, right? So what I've been doing, guys and gals, is I have been focusing on trading the last 90 minutes of every single trading session. And this is a technique known as smashing the close. What does that mean? Well, it simply means we try to look for high probability setups just in the afternoon session, which is what I define as 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. and that's Central Time. All right, so you may have to do the math to modify that on your own time zone, whether you're on Eastern or Pacific or other parts of the world. Just do the math. All right, it's basically just the last 90 minutes of trading every day. All right, and I have found, to a shockingly high degree of accuracy, all right, this volume indicator color band is just straight up nailing every retracement and every high probability setup in this period. Okay, again, I'm only talking about the last 90 minutes of trading. I find this to be perfectly suited for my own style, and I feel strongly that a lot of you guys and gals can benefit from at least attempting or maybe taking a look and see how this potential idea might skyrocket your trading. Don't take my word for it, all right? Just take a look at the charts here, all right? You can see here, look, I'm up 40-something points here on the NAS on the second half of my trade. Now it's 44. Look at that. Look at this thing. Holy shit, now it's 47. Jesus Christ, man. I told you. This is why we love trading the Nasdaq, man. The thing's an absolute beast. Now we're knocking on 50 points. All right, so 50 points times 4 ticks a point. Guys, that's about 200 ticks right now. Let me see. Where's my profit target? Yep, we're getting closer and closer to my profit target, guys and gals. I'm loving this right now. All right. Anyway, let me fit this back to scale here. Let me get you dialed into how I took this trade. All right, so you can see here the vol shifted from red into green right here. I was a little bit late today. Normally I would have jumped on these retracements because sometimes, you know, I'll take a trade right after I come back from lunch. Like the 12:45 p.m. to 1 p.m. Time slot is sometimes known to be the sweet spot, but I missed it because I had some other engagements going on. So I was only able to jump on this trade right here, guys and gals. Now, why this trade? Well, I feel like a lot of you guys should already know this, man. All right. When the vol indicator turns green, we're looking to play it long. Shame on you if you make any other decision today other than playing it long. All right. That's what the green piece means. When it's green, you're a buyer. End of story. All right. So you can see here, I got filled around 616 on the NAS today. 2 contracts to the long side, and of course you can see that I also got to break even here. This is the location that I typically try to take the risk off the trade. You understand? And that's also why you see this pink line here. Like, this is my original stop loss line, which was back here. All right, this was the original location of the stop loss line, and whenever I take profits on the first half of my trade, I always move my entry back to the location in the chart where I cannot lose on this trade, right? As you guys and gals know, I don't necessarily care about making money on any one particular trade. Like, I'm not attached to the outcome, but I definitely don't want to lose, right? And so I've embraced a method that works for me. I call it risk reduction mode or risk reward mode. You can call it anything you want. And all I can tell you is this strategy has been crushing it on a daily basis, man. All right. So, yeah, man. So from this point on, we just let the market do the heavy lifting for us. You can kind of see here, basically from this point in time, which the trade was taken at around 1:22 p.m. I've been sitting on this trade for about half hour now. I'm not sure how it's going to play out, right? But like I said, I'm not attached to the outcome of the trade. I just want to put some risk on the table right here. I then want to take that risk off the table, and then the market's going to do whatever it's going to do that day, right? Like you can see right now, I'm sitting on about 43-ish points. This is about 170 ticks if you convert points to ticks. I'm loving it right now, man. If we take a look at my P&L, let's see where we're at. We're at 1,100. Love this, man. When I started this video, if you recall, I think 10 minutes or so ago, I was up about 980-ish. So you can see that as I've been recording this video over the last 10 minutes, I just gained myself $200+. So with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to cut this video off, man. I want to focus on this trade. I don't want the market to come back and obviously come all the way down to my stop loss line here. I think I'm going to be a greedy savage and just take my 45 or 50 points right now, which is a nice 180 ticks, I think is what it is right now. Got to be happy with that, man, right? So again, folks, always remember this idea of smashing the close using volume. All right, this volume indicator color band for your trend direction or your trend bias. I think if you're following this idea, you absolutely should have nailed this gorgeous retracement right here. And if you're not following this idea, guys, then this is absolutely something you need to start paying attention to, like right now. Don't wait, all right? Test out my idea of smashing the close, which is the last 90 minutes of trading, and I think you're going to be shocked at how accurate and how effective it can be. That'll do it for this video, guys, on this lovely Thursday, May 2nd. Hope you guys caught some really nice profits today, and I can't wait to show you how this indicator is going to perform tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.